Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check an update software version on your headphones TOZO HT2. You have to start by open TOZO application, now go to settings and click on auto update. Now click on update, confirm. Then click OK, and right now we can check our version. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.